very quick micro unboxing. It's already unboxed apart from the label. This is a little watering can, 1 litre, from a company called Ward, and it's made of plastic, and you can see it's 2 parts seamed together. Nice little spout that should help with the water flow. Top fill, which is great for a kitchen tap or an outside tap, and that's it. Let's take the label off and have a look. It's actually from a company called Strata. It says Ward from Strata, so maybe Ward is the design. About $3 or $4, something like that. And they actually had some metal ones which were about $8, but they didn't have a top fill. They were sort of under the handle fill, which is a bit awkward with the tap I've got. So that's why I went for this one. Sounds like it will last a few years. Great value.